Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your private keys with MyEtherWallet easy tutorial step by step clearly. To recover your private keys with MyEtherWallet, start by visiting the official MyEtherWallet website. Once you're on the home page, locate the Access My Wallet button. Click on this button to proceed. Next, you will see several options for accessing your wallet. Select the option labeled mnemonic phrase if you have it. Alternatively, if you have a key store file, choose the software option. If you are using a hardware wallet, select the appropriate option for your device. For this tutorial, we will assume you have the mnemonic phrase. Enter your phrase in the provided text box carefully. Make sure to include spaces between words, as this is essential for accuracy. After entering your phrase, click on the Access My Wallet button. You may be prompted to verify your phrase. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this verification process. Once verification is complete, you will be taken to your wallet dashboard. Here, you can view your account balance and transaction history. To find your private keys, navigate to the View Wallet Info section. Click on the Private Key option. You may need to enter your password or confirm your identity for security reasons. After verification, your private key will be displayed. It is crucial to copy your private key securely and store it in a safe place. Never share your private key with anyone, as it grants full access to your wallet. Now you have successfully recovered your private keys using MyEtherWallet. Your wallet is now accessible, and you can manage your Ethereum holdings efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.